Good morning. You are now rocking with the best.
Turn right onto Graham Road.
You guys, this is Ty Wells' latest single, Just Breathe, that you are hearing right now on the radio. Just breathe. Yes, that is the message for, oh, St. Martin, that's beautiful. I bet the weather's so beautiful there. Oh my gosh, I bet it's sunshine and butterflies. It's a little cold where I am. I am in Petersburg. Stephanie, this is Ty Wells' latest single. Just breathe. I just want y'all to hear this. Awesome. Just breathe and move. Just breathe. Just breathe. That's right, you guys. Just breathe. You just wake up in the morning. Just breathe. Just thank the Lord for giving you breath. Just thank the Lord for waking you up in the morning, you guys. Some people didn't wake up this morning.
In 800 feet, continue on Graham Road.
Ty Wells. Stephanie, if you can type his name in the comment box so you guys can hear him. He's on SoundCloud, iTunes, Facebook Music. You can
continue on Graham Road, then turn left onto South Crater Road.
If y'all haven't heard the single, matter of fact, I'm gonna do a giveaway for the single if y'all can't find it already on YouTube.
Turn left onto South Crater Road.
And so not only is he an awesome artist, he is a good friend of mine as well. So you guys should check that out. Just think about that. When you wake up in the morning, just breathe. Just breathe. It's gonna be okay. I woke up this morning, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm on my way to this interview, then I have work to do, and I've been working all week. I haven't had a moment to take a break and relax. But you guys, guess what? We just breathe. God's got it under control. God's got it all under control. You don't have to worry about a thing. The problems that you have, it seems like you got to figure it out on your own. You don't. Hi, Chica. LMS. Hello. I don't know what you're saying, but I wish I could, and I bet you're sending lots of love. So thank you guys for the hearts. Excuse me. Just remember that, you guys. It's all going to work out. It's all going to work out. I don't know what you're struggling with, what you're dealing with, what's on your mind. Just breathe. Oh, P Strong's in the house. Hey, P Strong, what's up? All right, you guys. Well, I am gonna get ready to go. But yes, if you want to get that single, Just Breathe, you can either inbox me, send it to my Bouncing Crowns email, to bouncingcrowns@gmail.com, or you can go on my Facebook page, Camille Davis. The title's in my bio, and just tell me you want to just breathe. Just say just breathe, and I got you. I got you. All right, and then we can watch the video when it comes out together. But yeah, I mean, it's an awesome song. So just let your troubles just melt them away. Just let them melt away, you guys. Whatever. It's a Monday. It's a Monday. I know you guys are.
In 900 feet, turn left to merge onto I-95 North.
For all that, but here it goes one more time. Thank you, sis. So here we go. Remember.
Turn left to merge onto I-95 North.
Guys. Happy Monday. Love you. And Merry Christmas.